Major turn of events in the case of a Eugene mother convicted of killing her teenage daughter nearly 10 years ago. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Matt Templeman.
I'm Renee McCullough. Late this afternoon, a judge vacated the death sentence and conviction for Angela McAnulty, ruling she did not get a fair trial. KEZI 9 News reporter Michael Severin spoke to one of her former attorneys who says he hopes she gets a lesser sentence but stays behind bars.
I'm so glad that she's the death row.
For Kenneth Hadley, who helped represent Angela McAnulty in her original case, the order by retired Judge Burdette Pratt brings deep relief. Hadley, who's retired himself, says he hopes a new trial will end with McAnulty spending the rest of her life in prison.
Hopefully energetic people to take over.
It was in 2009 when police swarmed McAnulty's home on Howard Avenue to find her 15-year-old daughter, Jeanette Maples, dead. Investigators say McAnulty and her husband beat and starved the girl while allowing two other children in the family to eat. Prosecutors in Lane County tell me after the judge enters his final order, the Attorney General will decide whether to appeal the ruling before it heads back to prosecutors' hands here in Eugene.
We felt very rushed.
Hadley says McAnulty's trial came just over a month and a half after others on the defense team finished up another death penalty case. He says she pleaded guilty to show the jury she took responsibility for her actions. He says he and the others were shocked when McAnulty was sentenced to death. Court records filed on McAnulty's behalf claim she wasn't adequately represented, saying only a fraction of evidence about her history of mental illness and childhood trauma was presented.
And they were only given a very short period of time before we had to start this trial, which I felt was terribly unfair.
We reached out to people who knew Jeanette but haven't heard back. We also reached out to multiple organizations that are dedicated to fighting child abuse. While they were not available for an interview, officials tell us there are more prevention services and other programs available today than there was in 2009. In Eugene, I'm Michael Severin, KEZI 9 News.